35 million gone just like that. I don't lose 35 million just like that. My 35 million is gone just like that.
Nick, please. I am sorry. It's not that I just do it on my own. I forget now. I forget saying I'm a pregnant woman now. I sleep off now. Please, now I'm sorry. Ever since then, you've not eaten my food. Why are you doing like this now? I'll not be you again, Nick.
I just lost 35 million.
Oh, come on. You're going to make it again now.
Which I will make it again now. 35 million don't go like that. All because it meant I come late. Now my nigga said that they come from, so I don't go follow their line. There's nothing they can do for me. That was what they said.
Hey. Is that why you want to kill yourself? Eh? Is that why you want? Which day you can't start the smoke? Ha.
For your life, you don't see 10 million before.
I don't see.
You don't see.
I don't see.
You don't see 10 million before.
I don't see. Now because of that, now you want to kill yourself. You are smoking, you are drinking. What kind of thing is that? It's okay now. Calm down. So, let's go inside. Let's go inside. I've prepared a meal food. Let's go.
See, right now I want to be alone. All right. I don't want to eat. I don't want anything that comes from you. All right. You're pregnant. There's nothing I can do to you right now. So I need you to go back inside and leave me alone. All right. You will be cameraman. And you will be fans where they watch these doings. I personally carry you come outside today, make you video. On my doings, make you see waiting at the face for house. That girl will come out just now. She look like anybody when they remorse about the money what I don't lose. See, a whole lot of men are going through this every day of their lives. The only thing I wanted to do is to help her till she give birth, and if possible I'll be able to take care of the child. Now this is what I'm getting back. I made it cook, I made it clean, I made it do everything for house, everything. I made it run her for house, just to remind me about a contract I had today. She failed and I lost the contract. Now look at how she's responding to me losing the contract. Everywhere good, peace day. Peace day. But if what she do me today, they right. All of the followers when they follow her, when they side down, men herself talk. What did she do me now? If not good thing, men I talk. If not bad thing, men I talk. Because normal, I dey wait to hear from you now. Peace day.
I'm tired. You see the reason why I want to be on my own. And you guys see the reason why I employ this camera guy, so that he will be helping me to video everything. That is why I wanted to be on my own. See, I don't change. Am I not a pregnant woman? Eh? Just only this little mistake. Wow, do just this little mistake because of say I sleep off. Or say I forget to remind him that he has a date today with someone. Just that. Then they talk all these things with their mouth. Well, what did they say? If he say ma come out, me I will come out. Yes, now if he say ma come out from his house, we'll go back to my girlfriend's house. Simple. I don't have much to say. I see you guys. See you later.